Hey Plumbing Hacks, how's everyone doing today? Welcome back to another edition of Toolbox Tuesday. And I want to show off my favorite tool, this tool. This is my basing nut wrench. I've had this since I was probably about 6 months into my first year as an apprentice. It was the first tool that I bought. I spent all of like $10, $12 for it way back when. And I've managed to hold on to this and not lost it. I've lost a lot more expensive tools, but this one seems to go with me everywhere I've been. So, I think it's not really necessarily my favorite tool. It's my favorite tool right now because Jack Mayo wants this, and you're not going to get it, buddy. Alright, and remember to register over at plumbinghacks.co. Remember, out of the first 2,500 registrants, one lucky person will win Plumbing Hacks swag. That is the best swag to ever get. And also, we are selling hats. Remember, a hat keeps your head warm in the cold weather, and it also protects from the sunlight. And I got mine, which protects from other stuff. So head on over to plumbinghacks.co and hit the store button, and then buy a hat, and a shirt, and a cozy. Buy one for your mom. Buy one for your dad. Buy one for your significant other. Just buy it. Jack, here's another use for that tool. When you get that angry dog chewing on your arm, get
Plumbing